How's everybody? We're recording. This is like a little test for me. I'm trying to see something. Um, the BMI. We all know what BMI means, body mass index, but you guys still need to know the stages of the BMI. So don't forget that, okay? 40 BMI is about 100 pounds over a normal BMI, okay? I'm just trying to see if you guys got more questions this morning. Even though I'm not supposed to be live right now, I am live right now. So you guys make sure you send in your information. You guys can log on to Zoom. Um, use your ID, same ID. Give me any questions you have for right now. This is just 15 seconds. I just wanted to see if we can put this on YouTube from here with just the 15 seconds. But I do want you to take heed to the BMI. I'm going to put that in the measurements course. Just remember, 40 BMI is 100 pounds over an ideal body weight. Okay. And also, I'm going to put a list of the body weights there so you guys can see, what they are. And also put them in your CPT book. You might have a question on that. Okay. So I'm going to stop the recording right now and then I'll get back at you later on. I just want to see how this one was going to turn out. So don't forget, if you guys got any questions, let me know. And I put a video up there yesterday about 7 characters. Make sure that you take heed to that. Look at your ICD-10 guidelines. Some of you who do not have your book already, just go on CMS.gov and just put in ICD-10 guidelines. It should show you the current guidelines in there because you can start reading that if you choose to. But don't forget, you still have to do your prereqs. All right, so just be precarious to that. So send me an email if you got any questions. Don't forget that body mass index. I want you to know the stages too. Okay, I'll be back on later on.